In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a clearing account in Xero. This process is straightforward, and by the end of this guide, you'll have your clearing account set up and ready for use. Let's dive right in. First, you need to navigate to the right section of Xero where all the magic happens. Go to the top bar of your Xero dashboard. Here you'll see the option labeled Accounting. Give that a click. As you do, a menu will appear. Think of this as your portal to the various powerful financial tools Xero provides. From this menu, you'll want to select Chart of Accounts. This section is your financial database, where you can add and manage all of your accounts effectively. Once you're in the Chart of Accounts, it's time to add a new account specifically for clearing transactions. Look towards the top of this section for the button labeled Add Account. Click on this button, and you'll open up a form where you can input details for your new account. It might not seem like much yet, but filling in the appropriate details will set you up for easy management in the future. The first thing you'll need to choose on this form is the account type. Since we're creating a clearing account, you'll want to set the account type to current liability. Selecting this category is crucial because a clearing account temporarily holds balances that need to be settled, much like a liability that you'll address soon. It's important to ensure it fits this category for accurate accounting. With the account type selected, it's time to personalize your clearing account. You should give it a name. Something simple yet descriptive is perfect. You might just want to go with Clearing Account to make it crystal clear what this account is for. Next, you'll assign a unique code to this account. Make sure it's a number that doesn't otherwise get used, allowing you to quickly identify this account when needed. And don't forget the description. Although it might seem minor, adding a brief explanation of the account's purpose can be a lifesaver for future reference. Once you have all these details entered, the account type, name, code, and description, you're ready for the final step. Double-check your entries to ensure everything is accurate and makes sense. Then, you can go ahead and click Save. That's it, you're done. With these steps completed, you've successfully created a clearing account in Xero. In conclusion, setting up a clearing account in Xero is a quick and simple process once you know where to navigate and what information to enter. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful, and you can now easily manage your transactions with your newly created clearing account. As always, feel free to drop any comments or questions below. Happy accounting!